Canva is just an amazing tool. It's my favorite tool of all time. I'm just going to type in here fitness. You can create anything on this. It's the greatest graphics, art, design tool. You can create websites, logos, Instagram posts, TikTok posts. There's going to be a link to all of these in the description below where you can get all these, and they're all free. Okay, so here's right away. You just typed in fitness and it just pops up with a bunch of really cool looking stuff. So I like this one. It kind of pops. Is there anything else that just pops right out? This one's awesome. Let's do this one. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. It's basically written for us already, but we need to change some stuff. Now the name of our digital product is Lose Weight Quickly. It's a weight loss. So we're gonna go with Lose Weight Quickly. Lose weight quickly. Shape your body is good. We don't need this. Let's go get now. Let's change the color. Here's the brand colors. It's already in the picture. Just amazing. Nope. Something that stands out, purple, red. Red does not stand out. Let's go black. Let's make it a little bigger. Boom, I love it. So for a screenshot on the Mac, it's a Shift Command 4. We're just going to take a screenshot instead of downloading it. It's faster. Done.